very closely. Now shifting our focus to other developments that we are tracking from the national capital, where in a significant development, the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal has written a letter to the district electoral officer, that's the DEO, wherein Kejriwal has highlighted a surge in the voter addition and deletion application received in the New Delhi Assembly constituency over the past few days. Let's now listen in to what in fact Aam Aadmi Party Supremo has to say about it.
जिसमें हमने कहा था कि हर महिला को 2100 रुपए दिए जाएंगे। कैबिनेट ने प्रस्ताव पारित कर दिया था कि हजार रुपए हर महिला को दिए जाएं, लेकिन मैंने कहा था कि चुनाव जीतने के बाद इसको बढ़ा के हम 2100 रुपए हर महिला को देने शुरू करेंगे। बुजुर्गों के लिए हमने ऐलान किया था कि 60 साल से ऊपर के हमारे जितने बुजुर्ग हैं, उन सभी बुजुर्गों को उनके इलाज का सारा खर्च दिल्ली सरकार उठाएगी, चाहे वो प्राइवेट में हो चाहे सरकारी में हो। ये दोनों योजनाएं इतनी हितकारी थी, जनता के पक्ष में थी, लोगों के पक्ष में थी कि इन योजनाओं में हमने जैसे ही रजिस्ट्रेशन, आम आदमी पार्टी ने जैसे ही रजिस्ट्रेशन करना चालू किया, इतनी लंबी लाइनें लगने लग गई। लोगों में इतना उत्साह था, लोग बहुत खुश थे और लाखों लोगों ने, चंद दिनों के अंदर लाखों लोगों ने इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन किया। जाहिर तौर पे बीजेपी की नींद उड़ गई, बीजेपी बुरी तरह से बौखला गई और बीजेपी के कई नेताओं ने मुझे फोन करके बोला कि जी चुनाव तो खत्म हो गया। बोला लगता नहीं इस बार 3-4 सीट भी आएंगी, और बोला कि जीतनी तो दूर की बात है, कई सीटों पे बीजेपी की हो सकता है जमानत जब्त हो जाए। तब इन्होंने ये ठान लिया कि इन योजनाओं को किसी भी तरह से बंद करना है। इन्होंने अपने गुंडे भेजे, कई जगह जहां पे कैंप लगे थे वहां पे गुंडों ने हमारे कैंप उखाड़ने की कोशिश की। इन्होंने पुलिस भेजी, पुलिस भेज के इन्होंने उखाड़ने की कोशिश की और आज इन्होंने एक फर्जी जांच के आदेश दिए हैं कि जांच होगी। किस चीज की जांच होगी? मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आता, जांच किस चीज की होगी? कोई हम पैसे इकट्ठे कर।
All right, viewers, and now on that note, I have my colleague Arzu Seth joining me live on the broadcast. Arzu, in fact, the politics on the voter name addition in the list has started to escalate after, in fact, Aam Aadmi Party released all the list of the candidates for the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. And also in the latest, we are hearing Aam Aadmi Party Supremo saying that the BJP is trying to threaten the voters as well. How is in fact the response from the BJP is there on this regard?
Well, Simran, when we talk about regarding the vote cutting is concerned, there has been a political slugfest since several days, and now again Arvind Kejriwal has claimed that there has been a tampering in the voter list right now taking place in the New Delhi constituency. Earlier, we have heard from the Aam Aadmi Party that when they claimed that there has been an application given to cut the votes of the voter list of the Shadra, and now here in the New Delhi, we are addressing a press conference. Kejriwal alleged that the BJP has been manipulating voter lists in the New Delhi Assembly constituency since December 15 to sway the upcoming elections. And Arvind Kejriwal has also mentioned that BJP has accepted his defeat, and that's why they are now using these tactics in the national capital. And he also claimed that in these 15 days, BJP has applied to remove 500 names and add 7,500 new ones. And he also said that by hold elections, if 12% of the voters in the constituency are being manipulated, this is nothing but a game in the name of election. When we see, these are the claims that the Arvind Kejriwal has made during a press conference. On the other side, when we see Bharatiya Janata Party, they have also saying that this is a tampering is being done by the Aam Aadmi Party and not BJP. They also understand that the promises which has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party has not been fulfilled. This is what the BJP is claiming. The voter is very much aware about the issues, and now this remains to be seen what decision the voter takes. But as far as the voter cutting is concerned, this issue has been getting the limelight as far ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. Yes, Simran.
All right, Arzu. In fact, on that note, we'll continue to track all the developments.